Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan all IP addresses in your LAN without any software. So make sure you will be just on your laptop device or the computer desktop. So I will be just move in this bottom left corner is option the search, and I will be just tap on it like CMD, and I will just tap on it command prompt. So what gonna do, you will be just write it the ARP space and minus a and just simply tap on it, entered. So this is the interface of the internet addresses by the physical addresses and the dynamic addresses. So in this way you will just find the all IP addresses and you will just have to scan it for all. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.